For manual inflatable life jacket cylinder changer and repack, replace the cylinder after it is used up. First, take off the lid and turn it over and stuff in to deflate the air. After deflation, close the lid. Then unfold and lay flat. Open the cylinder cover. Then unscrew the cylinder. This is your gas cylinder with a hole on the tip of it. Dispose the used one. Confirm whether the sealing ring is still there, and look for the mark show that this life jacket needs a 33 gram CO2 cylinder, 17 grams or 60 grams. So, when we are replacing, the 33 gram CO2 cylinder needs to be replaced. Confirm your rearming cylinder is 33 grams. You should use 17 grams for Eyson kit inflatable PFD or 60 grams for the mega size 275 PFD. Take it out from the set. There is a green clip inside. Confirm again it is a 33 gram CO2 cylinder, and it's unused. Remember to dispose the used one. Don't get mixed up. Then we confirm that the sealing ring is aligned and sealed. And the hole here. Straighten the body of cylinder. You should feel easy to screw in the beginning. And screw it down to the end. Lay aside this rope, make it not get in the way of it. Clip out the green clip. Make sure the pulling rope is neither got stuck inside the clip nor twined to the cylinder. Then pinch the cylinder cover's tip. Through the hole on the opposite side. Then repack your life jacket. Trifold the two to tuck at the end. Then cover it up. Your life jacket is repacked and ready to go.